What's going on, Deep Dive Spear crew? Hadn't put out a video in a while, but here we are again working on the 1973 222 Aquasport. I'll give you a little bit of an update of what I've done lately. Been working on the helm station right here, framed up this edge, thickened up some epoxy, trying to get that edge fixed up, and then once that cures, then I'll come back and sand it, round it, and start laying some fiberglass on top of it right there. And then fill this in, get it ready to finish that up. As far as the boat goes, today I'm gonna finish cutting off the top of these stringers where that plywood is. I've already cleaned them out, got all the foam out of both of them. And the sides got a little bit wobbly, so I built this A-frame. And I'll also be sanding the back right here, trying to get this down to bare fiberglass, so that over the holidays I can go pick up my Coosa from Pelham, Alabama, right there by the distributor, from the manufacturer, via distributor I should say, and try to get that Coosa put in and glassed up. Y'all stay with us. Here we go. And now you see what 50 years of being in the bottom of a boat will do to plywood. Nothing left. Ladies, if you ain't got your husband something for Christmas yet, get him one of these. I love this tool. Right next to the grapple that goes on my tractor, this is probably my favorite tool. Gotta take a water break. Crew, this old boy's tired. I've had a good afternoon of work. Finished cutting those out. Cut the inside stringer walls out. They had wood in them. Finished that up. Cut this back a little bit more so that I can lay that Coosa in, and I have enough to tab to right here. I was initially gonna tab in here, but that wasn't gonna work. The old tabbing goes to right here, so that's what I'm going to go back with. And y'all stay with us. Like I said, one day at a time, we'll get it done. Deep Dive Spear crew, out.